Caleb's Holden Statesman. It's got the LS1 engine in it, obviously an automatic transmission because that's what they came out with. He reached out to us for one of our proven upgrades, and look, we've got a lot of packages now, and with all the camshaft testing we've done, we've been able to compile a massive list of what works. You know, you can literally come to us now, tell us what you want to do, where you want your power, and boom, we can just bang a package together now. I've got everything now in spreadsheets where I can literally just go, tell me what you want to do, give me the specs, you know, or give me what you want from the car, and I will literally run through all of my data and I can pinpoint it right to the last bit for you. So he came to us, we're originally going to put a different camshaft in it, but then after we spoke a bit about it, we decided to go with a set of Blackwell Racing cylinder heads, keep it as an LS1, put one of our RB converters in it with a 3/4 diff, and we chose to go with the CamMotion Little Chopper. Really good camshaft. Like I believe in all the, like with all the camshaft testing that we've done on the LS1 platform, of all the brands that we've done, the CamMotion Little Chopper, I believe, has the most average power across the RPM range. So when I say average power, we are looking from say 2000 RPM to 6800 RPM. What gives you the most spread of power and torque? Now, if you want a fast street car, average power is where it's at. You know what, not even street car. If you want a fast car in general as a whole, you want to make average power because average power gives you more power for a longer period of time. So therefore, you have a throttle that's massive and you have a power band that just lasts forever. And look, that makes the car feel fast. If you're looking for a two-stroke style power band where you have a really short band, you know, like something that makes power from 5,000 to 7,000 or 5 to 6, now that's a different story, but you can build a package that's really street friendly. And look, the CamMotion Little Chopper in the LS1 configuration, so with the cathedral style heads, it really makes a lot of low down power and it holds that power over the RPM range. So in this case, this is making power from pretty much 2,000 revs to 6,800. Now, it's a big heavy car, it's a Statesman. It's not going to be neck snapping fast out on the street, but you want it to feel like it's got power and you want it to feel like it pulls and you want to be able to get out and overtake and have some fun with your mates. So, to make a heavy car fast, you need good average power. So, hence the decision, CamMotion Little Chopper. We also chose to keep it with a tri-Y header and we stuck with a twin 2.5-inch exhaust system. Now, I don't believe you need to go any bigger than that on an LS1. I just find it seems to be the magic recipe, and there's no magic in what we do, but it just seems to be the right recipe to get an LS1 to just sound good, work good, and just do all the right things. So like a twin 2.5-inch, I don't care what brand you use, at the end of the day, they're all very similar. And whether it be like an X-Force or a Pacemaker tri-Y, they're very similar in what they, what you achieve out of it. So this has got the tri-Ys on it, twin 2.5, high flow cats, and look, VCM OTR, primo. Just a really good package that doesn't smash the bank account either. So, end result, 306 kilowatts, 503 Newton meters. We're finishing it up at 6,800 revs. Look, it's an LS1, it's got cathedral heads. We're not looking to make 320, 340 because you need an inlet manifold to achieve those sort of figures. So what we opted to do with this build was to build something that made power within the RPM range that works with the manifold and not leaving anything on the table. You're maximising everything in the area. So if you have a look at the spread of torque, it's just got a nice flat torque curve that just holds it the whole way. Caps out at 6,800, so no need to rev it more than that. And you can just see the power. It's just got a really nice flat torque curve, linear power curve, something that you can just pretty much pull the whole way. And then that's pretty much your RPM there. So that's the RPM line, which caps out at 6,800 revs. So, if you're looking for a package on the street that's going to give you really good, broad power range, feels really good, not something you've just got to smash the throttle everywhere you go, then the Blackwell heads paired with the CamMotion Little Chopper, fantastic package. Look, the Little Chopper works really good even with the stock heads. But, back a set of heads on there and you're just maximising on that average power. And as I said earlier, average power is how you make a car feel fast in the street. It's not always about the maximum torque figure and the maximum kilowatt figure. If you can make 300 kilowatts from 2,000 revs and hold it to 7,000 revs, that will feel a lot faster than the car that makes, say, 150 kilowatts down low and 400 in the top, because it's all about that average. And I'm banging on about average power. It's really, really important. And it's like the same thing as power under the torque curve and all that sort of stuff. It plays a big role in making a car feel fast. Sometimes the cars that don't make much power smash the cars that make power. So that brings it back to the average power. So, as I said earlier, if you're looking for something that's got a very broad power range, sounds tough as, it's like so the camshaft's like a 222, should know off the top of my head by now, but I don't. 222, 232 on a 108, and it's only like 600 there on the lift, so you don't need to have super duper springs on it, so keep the valve train nice and happy. We've got these cams on the shelf, and yeah, like really, really good combination in an LS1 with the cathedral head. We've used this in the 6 litres. It works really well in the 6 litres with a square port, but I feel like, or not feel like, I know because I've tested it, in a cathedral head, they do work better. So really good camshaft, great package. Shout out to Caleb. Thank you, mate. We had to wait a bit for his diff to come, so we've been on the back burner with this. So thanks for your patience. And yeah, and I hope you enjoy the car. So I'm absolutely stoked with it. I know he's going to be stoked with it. And anyone who wants to do this package, well, you're going to be pretty happy with it too. So if you need to get hooked up with all the parts, let us know in the comments, jump on our website. As I said earlier, we've got everything in stock and we can send it all out pretty much the same day you put the order through. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And like always, we will see you on the next one. And yeah, stay safe. Catch you later. Bye.